Are you lonely because your girlfriend dumped you? I'm Addison, and here is your personal affirmation session to restore confidence, heal, and return stronger. These famous quotes are 18 affirmations to overcome rejection, increase personal development, and manifest new opportunities in your life. Breathe deeply and stay until quote number 1. It's one of my personal favorites. Ready? Let's go. Number 18. Only passions, great passions, can elevate the soul to great things. Dennis Diderot. 17. The journey is the reward. Taoist proverb. 16. We accumulate our opinions at an age when our understanding is at its weakest. Georg C. Lichtenberg. Problems are only opportunities in work clothes. Henry J. Kaiser. You can take no credit for beauty at 16. But if you are beautiful at 60, it will be your soul's own doing. Marie Stopes. We too are to ourselves a crowd. Ovid. My dad was the town drunk. Most of the time that's not so bad, but New York City. Henny Youngman. We live in a society of victimization, where people are much more comfortable being victimized than actually standing up for themselves. Marilyn Manson. God, to me, it seems is a verb, not a noun, proper or improper. R. Buckminster Fuller. I was homeless for a little bit. I was on people's couches, but it was an amazing journey. I got to make people laugh all the way. Sherry Shepherd. It is a good morning exercise for a research scientist to discard a pet hypothesis every day before breakfast. It keeps him young. Konrad Lorenz. He who fails to question is asking for trouble. Paul Abetchon. God gave me the strength to see, and breathe, and talk. Leon Spinks. Crude classifications and false generalizations are the curse of the organized life. H.G. Wells. Dreams can come true. Lil Romeo. The most beautiful thing we can experience is the mysterious. It is the source of all true art and science. Albert Einstein. The secrets of success are a good wife and a steady job. My wife told me. Howard Nemerov. Strengthen me by sympathizing with my strength, not my weakness. Amos Bronson Alcott. Just curious, do you like the law of attraction? We're giving away copies of our Dream Life Manifestation program to new followers as a thank you. If I gave you the link, would you check the program out? Be sure to check out the first link in the description. If you would tap the like button, it would make my day. Which affirmation was your favorite? I'd love to hear from you. Subscribe to this amazing playlist of my Law of Attraction secrets, and I'll see you in the next session. Have an amazing day.